What's up guys, it's BD here, and this is episode 9 of upcoming Groupbuys, where I use my eye for aesthetics to help you build the keyboard of your dreams. Now this is the first episode of 2021. I kind of took some time off to recharge, but now I'm back and I have a ton of ways for you to spend your money, okay? So if you haven't already, you might want to hide your wallet, because odds are you're gonna see something today that you like. But you know, at the end of the day, I just want you guys to be happy, all right? So starting off with the first keycap set of the month, it's coming from Dixie Mech, who has now rebranded into Omnitype. Even though their name has changed, one thing that hasn't changed is their ability to put out the keycap sets that we want, and the GMK Tuzi is one of them. Now this is based off the Chinese zodiac sign, the rabbit. It has multiple shades of purple. I really love this look. The novelties have some interesting keycaps if you want some flair to your keyboard. I personally will pick up the base kit and the space bars with the darker purple on it. I really like that dark purple. The desk mat isn't my style, but if you're trying to round out this theme, it's gonna look great together. All right, for this next set, all I gotta say is it's about time, Teha. This is one of the first keycap sets or accent kits that I saw when I first started out with mechanical keyboards, and it hasn't dropped since then, and they're pretty much impossible to get. The resale on them is insane, and that is the Mr. Sleeves Round 2. Now this isn't a full keycap set, this is just an accent kit, and it goes great with like minimal sets like the 9009, GMK Minimal Black on White, or a set that's running right now, the GMK Muted. They have these nice pastel colors. They have a light and now a dark version for the new one. I really like this burgundy blue-gray type tone that Teha went with for the dark set. Me personally, I've wanted the light set for the longest time, so for sure I'm copying that one. So yeah, if you have one of these minimal sets or you're thinking about getting one, this is an easy way to change the look of your setup overnight. All right, so when the next set came out originally, people had a lot of criticism for it. They didn't really get it, and now it seems like everybody and their mom wants this set, and that is the GMK Dots Round 2. Creator Beep has really been on a roll lately. He dropped the Awakened in January, which I didn't get a chance to cover, but I copped that. I hope you guys copped it. If you aren't already, follow me on Twitter, because I usually post what I'm getting on there first before I even make these videos. So this just isn't your ordinary keycap set. It just has dots instead of lettering. Very, very minimal. It's gonna look great on navy boards. It's gonna look great on black boards. And this time for the round 2, they also have a white set with the dots on it as well. And this is gonna look great with silver or white boards. I was only gonna pick up the dark set, but this white set, when I started thinking of the combinations that I can make with it, I'm gonna have to pick up both. My bank account is in trouble right now. And I love the desk mats for this set. They look great, they're minimal, and it's gonna tie in the entire theme. This is a must cop set, because at minimum, you're probably gonna be able to flip these later on. Don't tell Mech Market I said that. So the next set on the list is dropping on February 12th, and I'm actually doing a giveaway of this set on my Instagram. So if you aren't already, follow me on Instagram. And that is the GMK Lazurite. It's based off the precious stone, the lapis lazuli. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I love the blue, white, and play here with the gold accents. The gold space bars are gonna look dope against that blue and white. They also have the accent kit that has the gold lettering, which also looks really nice. This just has a very unique look. My favorite color is blue, and it just looks so nice. And then you can also switch out the alphas for a white version and just get like a whole white board with the blue lettering. And then when you throw that blue spacebar on there, I think this set looks very unique compared to some of the other sets out there. And these keycaps look super fresh. It's gonna look great on a white keyboard or a polycarbonate clear type keyboard as well. So the next set that we have is the GMK Polybius. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's a play on those old carpets you would see at arcades way back in the day. Has different shapes, and it brings that carpet look onto the mods. Now the mods are UV printed, so they will rub over time, because that was the only way they can get through different colors on the mods. So keep that in mind if you are picking up this set. The Rama for this set, the X and O, looks sick. It looks absolutely sick, and I think it glows in the dark if I'm not mistaken, but the desk mats are the real star of this show. I really like the look of the desk mats, especially that carpet one. It's bringing that nostalgia to your desk. All right, the next set that we have is the SA Laser Round 2. And you guys know my love for laser knows no boundaries. Now, I'm not a huge SA fan, profile fan. I find it very hard to game with, but one cannot deny SA looks super aesthetic. They're taller than Cherry Profile, and they're more cylindrical as well. So yeah, this just brings those old retro wave vibes over to the SA Profile, and it looks really good. If you don't already have a laser set and you don't mind SA, this is an easy pickup. All right, so next we have the WOB Katakana white on black. It's simple, but it's such a powerful set, because even on colorful sets, like I have an upcoming build where I have a purple and green keyboard, the keycap sets for that board aren't out yet, the EVA 01, and I can just throw GMK white on black on there and it looks great. So it's a very powerful set to have in your kit while you wait for some of these other GMK sets to come in. Now this time it's in katakana, the Japanese writing, and like I said, there's a wide variety of keyboards that this will work on. So this year I want to add a new award for every episode, and that is the Take My Money award. Now this award is going to be given to the hottest keycap set of the month, and the keycap set that I think is a must buy for the month. And that keycap set this month is the GMK Muted Round 2. This keycap set is one that I've been waiting for a very long time. I love the way the teal and the purple looks on this minimal set. It just sends chills down my spine. It seems so minimal, it seems so basic, but when you get this set and you see it in person, it's gonna look amazing, guys. So get those novelties, get the base set, and call it a day. Easy enough. I guarantee you will not regret getting this set. It's gonna look great on a gray, silver, or white board. And I don't know about you guys, but I've really been liking these minimal sets with the accents, because it allows the accents to really stand out and the colors to really stand out on your keyboard instead of being all jumbled up like we see in some other keyboards that just throw a bunch of color at you. So the next set is based off of Civilizaton, the GMK Civilizaton, okay? This is a gold on white keycap set. Really like the look of it, something new, something fresh. It's based off of old civilizations, if you couldn't tell. It has this very historical vibe. I'm really into Roman history, so this really hits home for me. And I really like this resin keycap, but can we talk about this mode keycap that has the structure on it? Wow, best artisan of the month by far. So it definitely takes that brass old vibe and turns it into a keyboard. Really like this look. Last but not least, we have the ePBT Be The One. This is another set I really like. It has navy tones with colors on the mods, similar to like an Oblivion set, and definitely pick up the Be The Rainbow set for the accents. It looks absolutely amazing. And they also have the Weeb set with the Japanese writing on it. I just love how the green, red, yellow, and purple all combine to look super aesthetic. This is gonna look great on gray boards, navy boards, polycarbonate, and acrylic boards as well. And because it's PBT, it's a little bit more affordable than the other sets on the list today. So for the switch of the month, we have the Cherry Hyperglide MX Black. These are a smoother version of the MX Blacks that we've seen way back in the past. They use a new tooling, so there's increased smoothness, higher tolerances, and increased service life of 100 million plus actuations. I'm really excited to try the set because I'm actually using Cherry MX Blacks on my Think 6.5 V1 right now. I'm really enjoying those for the thockiness, so I'm really excited to see this new improved smoothness that they put into the Hyperglides. All right, so let's move on to some keyboards of the month. First one being the Saka 68. This is a budget 65% keyboard. It's a different kind of layout. It has a 2U badge. I'm a sucker for those. This is a sandwich mount keyboard, the same as the Q. They tend to have a little bit stiffer of a typing experience. They do offer 3 different plate materials, the brass, aluminum, and carbon fibers. Since this is a little bit stiffer, I'd go with a softer plate like a carbon fiber plate. And these have a really quick shipping time of Q2 of 2021, so very soon. But yeah, I'm interested to see what this one sounds like. It's at a great price. All right, so Novel Keys is back at it again with the Box 75. This is an interesting looking keyboard. It's a 75% keyboard, brushed aluminum. It has these raw polished aluminum bars that go across the keyboard to form the feet on the bottom. Really interesting look. It's a top mount, burger mount, aluminum plate. It has pour on and plate foam, so you know this is gonna sound really good. The homie Alex Otos actually did a build of this keyboard. I'm gonna link his sound test down below so you guys can check that out. But yeah, it's an interesting looking keyboard. It's a little on the pricier side, but hey, Novel Keys never fails when it comes to their keyboards. All right, so not too bad today. Hopefully I didn't go too hard on your wallet today. I'm sorry if I did. I just want you to be happy, like always. It has been your boy BT. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.